Hi guys, how are you today? By the way, my K9 wireless microphone na gi-order nako sa TikTok is naabot na good. This one. This is very trending guys because you can use this one for your live show, interview, or vlog. So this is my normal voice guys if without using the microphone and then let's see if mawa ba gyud ang noise if mogamit ta aning microphone, okay? So let's unbox guys. So na siya'y duha ka book mic. And also mo ni siya ang itaod sa phone, isaksak sa may chargeranan. And then they have also the the charger. And also the katong para tabon sa mic and the manual. So this one guys. So i-try na to og taod, okay? So hi guys, so I already set up the mic now, and then yung voice ko is very low lang, unlike kanina na walang mic. So this is now my voice, maganda siya. So you can also like purchase this one if you really like doing vlog, especially outside or outdoor, kasi nawawala talaga yung mga noises background. Nice siya guys. And then by the way, I just got also mga equipment para sa vlogging ko is this one, the K9 wireless microphone, and also I just got this one guys. If like for example kanang mag coffee ka or gusto ka lang kanang mag selfie or kanang mag vlog, magbarog, so I can use this one. So it's easy to bring because it's very small. You can fold it. Kani gani guys is very legit. Mawala gid ang noise, kanang mga noises niya. So only the voice ang madungog yun. By the way, uhaw kayo. Napag ko yun ani guys. This one is the tripod. Taas kini siya. As in. So you can like adjust. Mga nasa 5 feet kani siya guys. So hopefully you will support my channel and I will do uploads from time to time, okay? And by the way, I'm drinking the Coco Mama.